Hello everyone! Balut is a traditional delicacy that holds a special place in the culinary landscape of the Philippines and several other Southeast Asian countries. This unique dish consists of a fertilized duck egg that has been incubated for a specific period, typically ranging from 14 to 21 days. During this time, the embryo develops partially, creating a distinctive combination of textures and flavors when cooked. Balut is often sold by street vendors and is commonly enjoyed as a snack or appetizer, especially in the evenings. The preparation of balut begins with the careful incubation of fertilized duck eggs, usually sourced from local farms. The eggs are kept in a controlled environment where temperature and humidity are monitored to facilitate the development of the embryo. After the incubation period, the eggs are boiled and served warm, often accompanied by condiments such as salt, vinegar, or chili sauce to enhance the flavor. When cracked open, balut reveals a partially developed embryo, which may include features like feathers, a beak, and even small bones, depending on how long the egg has been incubated. While this might be off-putting to some, many locals and adventurous eaters consider it a delicacy rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. Culturally, balut is more than just a food item. It is a significant part of Filipino heritage and social life. It is often associated with local traditions, celebrations, and gatherings, where friends and family come together to enjoy this unique dish. In the Philippines, balut is sometimes consumed with a side of beer, making it a popular choice for socializing. Moreover, balut has gained international attention, particularly among food enthusiasts eager to explore exotic cuisines. It has sparked discussions about food culture, sustainability, and the ethics of consuming animal products as it challenges conventional perceptions of food. Whether enjoyed at a bustling street market or as part of a cultural festivity, balut remains a symbol of culinary diversity and tradition, reflecting the rich tapestry of flavors and practices that characterize the regions where it is cherished. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.